I have with me, if I may say so, the Suryavanshi of Bollywood, the acting powerhouse Akshay Kumar, and joining us is also filmmaker Anand L. Rai. Welcome to India Today Television. Akshay, I will start with you. First of all, congratulations for Suryavanshi. What do you have to say to your fans out there?
I would like to say that a big thank you to all of them for coming to the theatres and watching it after pandemic, and it's a big thing for the industry that people have started rolling out, go to the theatres and watch the film, and I'm glad that the other movies are releasing now and people are also going for all those films also, and I hope this keeps on continuing it and everybody is safe. And please also I want to tell everybody that take care of yourself and be careful about this whole thing. Wear your mask, clean your hands, be safe.
Akshay, you're always on top of your game. You were the first actor to start shooting when the pandemic hit the world. Your film Bell Bottom was the first film to start the shoot and finish, and then you came with Suryavanshi, then now you're coming up with Atrangi Re, and you have a lot of other films lined up.
Yeah.
How do you manage all this? Like Akshay Kumar एक हैं, वो इतना सब कुछ एक साथ कैसे कर लेते हैं?
It is a very simple answer. There's nothing. I just work 8 hours a day, and I have my Sundays off. After every film, I take about 6-7 days off, and it's very simple. I still fail to understand what is so big about it. I don't work 12 hours, 14 hours. I just work for 8 hours, and in that, all these things happen. It is bound to happen because it is just a very simple thing. To me, I have only followed what I learned from my childhood when I used to go to school, where I used to go to school for 8 hours. Morning, get up early morning, थोड़ा कसरत कर लिए, उसके बाद go to school, 8 hours, lunch time, have lunch, come back, be with your family, play around with your friends, and then by 9-9:30 go to sleep. इतना सा pattern है जो actually everybody, you must have learned, he must have learned, everybody has learned it. But what happened was, in the process of life, we forgot that formula, and we started making our own formula, and we lost the whole thing. Yeah. If you go back to your childhood days, you will be also doing the same thing, nothing else. So I'm not saying that I found something different. It is the same formula.
If you could tell us about your latest film Atrangi Re, what really spoke to you about the script?
I love the script so much, even though the film belongs to Sara and Dhanush, but I love the script, the screenplay, how the film changes its course, and I love the fact that nobody could even think about a story like this, whether it comes to Hollywood, any would, but this man and his writer could think about it and come up with something like this. So when he had come to tell me the story, I was bowled over. I said, even though it is their film, but I am doing the film because I request you, I want to be a part of this film because it's a very different and a very strange kind of love story.
So how was your experience shooting with Akshay and the Atrangi team that you had on board?
Well, it was fun. It was like a blessing to me when I'm dealing with a film which is really layered, and it required lot of patience, not just from me, from my actors also. So getting Akshay sir on board it was like a blessing for this story. You needed somebody so secured and so sure about himself, and somebody who actor of his caliber falling in love with the story and saying yes to a character was actually I felt very fortunate, and I really enjoyed making this film with him. It was a fun journey. We never felt any kind of pressure. we were enjoying. We knew very well that if it unfolds the way we want, this story will reach its audience in a very bright light. And actually, we really we sailed through. It was good teamwork. We were all gelling. We were all enjoying. We were like family on the set. So, which is the prime requirement when you are there with a story like this.
In fact, during the shooting itself, Akshay has signed 2 films with you. How did it work out for you, both of you?
The only thing I'll say, it's like the ease and how to say, a certain kind of, I think these kind of bonding only happen when there is so much of selflessness around you, you know. We are not thinking about ourselves, we are thinking about each other. So, and the story, you know, it's so beautiful to tell a story with a person who comes with so much of simplicity. So I think that has been working, especially between us, is honesty. We have been honest to each other. We have been very organic with each other. So that's something which is going well, and we are enjoying. And I'm finding my characters maybe infectious हैं ये थोड़े से. So आदत भी पड़ जाती है इनकी. So that is one of the reasons. But yes, I have been enjoying working with him, and I have been enjoying telling stories with him.
Akshay, you shot for Raksha Bandhan in Delhi also. How was that feeling? That Purani Delhi wali videos आपकी viral हो गई थी social media पे. How was that feeling while shooting in Purani Delhi? You belong to that place.
Yeah, I belong to Delhi. It was great that he took me there to shoot a film, and उधर से सारी मेरी यादें जुड़ी. And I was telling him, यहाँ मैं आया करता था, यहाँ जाया करता था, लाल किले पे हम क्रिकेट खेला करते थे. और पहले जब अलाउड था, अभी तो बंद कर दिया, कई सालों से बंद कर दिया, लेकिन पहले we were allowed to go and play there, and मैचेस होते थे. So काफ़ी यादें जुड़ी हुई हैं. शांतिवन से मेरी यादें जुड़ी हुई हैं, जहाँ मैं कसरत करने जाया करता था. So फिर पूरे पराठे वाली गली से, मतलब everything. So it was great that he took me there, and it was amazing.
So if you could just tell me something more about the film making, what went into making this film, especially during the pandemic?
Because of his discipline, see, we all went through, more than films, we all went through a phase. In last 2 years, these lockdowns have affected us. But the only thing I'll say is that for us, for at least I can say about the industry people, मुझे खुद को ये लगता है कि the more we were on the sets, the more our immune systems were high, you know. We were really enjoying being on sets. We were following all the protocols, taking all the precautions, and we managed, and I think Atrangi Re was, for me, was like a saving grace in those lockdowns. We shot at a regular interval. Whenever we got an opening, we went on the shoot, and whenever it was lockdown, I was back on editing. So that was a fun part. We really enjoyed, and actually Atrangi Re made me sail through the lockdown.
All right. On that note, thank you so much for talking to us, and all the best for your film.
Thank you.